Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about the Bravo Studio plugin for Adobe XD. This plugin allows you to connect the XD seamlessly to Bravo Studio, which will convert your app design into a fully native mobile application within a few seconds. Let me show you how that works. So first of all, I'll start with the Adobe XD design. Here you can see the various screens. We've put the navigation on between the screens. We've got an icon for the app as well. But if you might notice, the only thing different from a normal design is these little square brackets with some annotations. These few annotations just help Bravo interpret exactly how you want the app to work. So with those on and this design there, you simply go to the Bravo plugin and click on Create once you've logged in. This will then import the app design from XD into Bravo. It only takes a few seconds, and this is pulling in the images, the text, as you see, the navigation between the screens. And then once that's complete, which is now, this is Bravo, and the app is in there, and we can go into it. We can see all our screens, and you can actually, from this point here, I can actually publish an APK for Android or an IPA for iOS, which we can put into the App Store. So you can go from a design to a publishable app ready in a few seconds. And we can actually preview how that looks like. If I just switch over to my mobile device here and refresh, you can see the app has been generated, and I can go into that. And you can actually see, all the navigation works. We're pulling in map data from Google Maps. We can play videos. We can have content. We can do a whole bunch of actions. But the really interesting thing is when we go back into Bravo, because we can go beyond just the content that comes from XD, we can actually connect it to third-party tools. So I can actually connect all of these different screens, elements of these screens, to an external tool, so it'll update dynamically. So you can make a fully working, powerful application straight from your design and connect it to external tools to make it dynamic. So we're really looking to see what you can do with Bravo, and you can try it out yourself by creating an account in Bravo at www.bravostudio.app and downloading the plugin from the XD plugin store. Thank you.